Are you tired of struggling with flimsy camera mounts that topple over in the wind or fail to hold your solar panel at the perfect angle? Today, I'm reviewing the 2-pack trail camera post stakes, a universal mounting solution designed for trail cameras, solar panels, feeders, and even fishing gear. This set includes 2 lightweight yet sturdy stakes that extend up to 5.6 feet high, with additional spikes and accessories for terrain adaptability. The reinforced triangular metal spike anchors securely in soil or grass, ensuring all-weather stability. Plus, the weather-resistant sage green finish blends perfectly with natural surroundings, making it ideal for wildlife monitoring or garden use. Setup is a breeze with tool-free assembly and screw thread connectors, and the transparent mounting bracket fits most cameras and accessories. Let's dive into the features that make these stakes a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. First, the weight. Each stake is incredibly light, making them easy to carry on long hikes. But don't let the lightweight design fool you. The triangular spike and sturdy build provide exceptional stability even in windy conditions. The adjustable height from 4 feet to 5.6 feet allows you to position your camera or solar panel at the ideal angle for capturing wildlife or maximizing sunlight exposure. Whether you're setting up a time-lapse photography project, monitoring wildlife, or running a night fishing operation, these stakes have you covered. They are also compatible with solar panels, so you can keep your trail cameras powered without worrying about battery life. The quick setup is a game changer. No tools are required. Just twist the components together, push the spike into the ground, and attach your device. The transparent bracket is versatile and fits most cameras and accessories snugly. In my testing, the stakes held up well in various conditions, from soft soil to rocky terrain. The weather-resistant coating prevented rust, and the sage green color helped them blend into the background. Overall, I highly recommend the 2-pack trail camera post stakes for anyone needing a reliable, lightweight, and universal mounting solution. They are perfect for hunters, photographers, gardeners, and outdoor enthusiasts. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best price. Thanks for watching.